Okay, now I'm texting the IKEA go right up. You can see it here. Is 10 volts, and the LED go right 200 through the 214, 15 or the 16 hertz. Okay. Now I have the path sensor parameter, control sensor. Okay, you can see this is a control sensor. Is the parameter is remote sensor from Apogee. Okay. Now let's turn on the parameter. Okay, I just remove here and 214 to 30 230. Okay, closer, leave it up. You can see the PPFD is growing, right? Okay, that's great. Okay, now you can see that if I remove here, I move this here is 118. If I move here, okay, decrease to 13. Closer to the center of the right spectrum, you can see the number is going. Sorry. Okay, that's great. That's great. Thanks. Now we will make a chart for this LED go right bar from my gear, and let's chart the power meter. Here's the power meter.